Hey there, Linux enthusiasts! Welcome back to another exciting video. If you're looking to breathe new life into an older machine or just want a super efficient setup, then stick around. We've got some fantastic options for you today. Today, I'm diving into the top 5 lightweight Linux distros for 2025. These distros are perfect for anyone who values speed, efficiency, and simplicity. Let's get started. First up, Lubuntu. Lubuntu is a variant of Ubuntu that swaps out the usual GNOME for the ultra-lightweight LXD desktop environment. This makes it incredibly fast and responsive. What does that mean for you? It means you can run Lubuntu on older hardware without any hiccups. It means faster performance even on old hardware with just 1 GB of RAM. Imagine turning that dusty old laptop into a speedy machine. Ideal for anyone who wants a familiar Ubuntu base without the bloat. Lubuntu is perfect for both beginners and advanced users. Next, let's talk about Linux Lite. This one's perfect for those of you transitioning from Windows. It's designed to be user-friendly and maintain a lightweight footprint. You won't feel lost if you're coming from a Windows environment. You get a simple, clean interface with all the essentials pre-installed, making it a breeze to set up and start using right away. No need to hunt for additional software. Linux Lite is great for those who want a hassle-free experience. It's lightweight yet powerful enough for everyday tasks. Moving on, we've got MX Linux. Known for its stability and customization options, MX Linux is Debian-based and offers a lightweight Fluxbox edition. You can tweak it to your heart's content, making it ideal for users who love to customize their experience while still keeping things lean and fast. It's a tinkerer's dream. MX Linux offers a balance of performance and flexibility, making it a top choice for many. Now let's check out Anti-X. If you're a fan of simplicity and ease of use, Anti-X is the way to go. It's highly customizable and designed to work effortlessly on older hardware. You don't need a powerful machine to enjoy a smooth experience. With Anti-X, you get a straightforward, no-nonsense distro that just works. It's perfect for those who want to get up and running quickly without any fuss. Anti-X is all about efficiency and simplicity, making it a great choice for minimalists. Perfect for those who want to get up and running quickly without any fuss. Last but not least, we have Bodhi Linux. Bodhi uses the Enlightenment desktop environment, bringing a minimalist approach to your desktop. It's fast, responsive, and incredibly resource efficient. You'll be amazed at how smooth it runs even on older hardware. If you're after a sleek and modern look without compromising on performance, Bodhi Linux has got you covered. It's perfect for those who appreciate aesthetics and functionality. Bodhi Linux is not just about looks, it's also about delivering a top-notch performance. So there you have it. 5 fantastic lightweight Linux distros to choose from in 2025. Whether you're reviving an old PC or just want a snappy, efficient system, these distros offer something for everyone. Each one has its unique strengths and caters to different needs. Give them a try and let me know in the comments which one's your favorite. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more Linux tips and tricks. See you next time.